If you're looking to boost your income or make serious money online, you're in the right place. Today, we are diving into the top 5 high-income skills that can help you earn $10,000 or more per month. These skills are in demand, lucrative, and can be learned by anyone willing to put in the effort. So let's dive right in. So first of all, why should you learn high-income skills? Right now, you might be stuck on Island A, trapped in a job you despise, and feeling like you're not living to your fullest potential. Now picture Island B, where you've left that soul-crushing job behind and living the life of your dreams with freedom of time and freedom of location. High-income skills are the bridge needed to get you from Island A to Island B. Think about it. As a doctor or a lawyer or any other 9-to-5 job, unless you're able to clone yourself into multiple copies, you will always be giving up time for money. Society has drilled into us the need for a stable job. But what does stable even mean in today's world? Do the people who preach this really live the life that you aspire to? Times have changed. Online income is the new trend, and most people end up in a job unrelated to their degree. High-income skills are more scalable, and your income is related to the value you provide as opposed to the hours that you clock in. This means that there is no cap on how much you can earn. The internet has revolutionized learning, and it is easier than ever to pick up new skills. The first high-income skill on my list is sales. Now, you're probably thinking about some sleazy car salesman. And no, that's not the kind of sales that I'm talking about. The ability to sell is one of the most valuable skills that you can have, whether it's selling products, services, or ideas. Did you know that the top salespeople can actually earn upwards of $150,000 in baseline annual salary alone? Adding commissions, and you can easily surpass the $10,000 per month mark. In fact, I know people making 6-7 figures per year in remote sales, all from the comfort of their home. Sales isn't just about making a quick buck. It's about understanding your customers' needs and providing solutions, whilst building genuine relationships and providing long-term value for both parties. To get started in sales, focus on improving your communication skills and understanding the psychology of buying. Sales can also be translated to other areas of your life. Think about persuading your friend to try that new restaurant that you love, or positioning yourself for that big promotion at work. I remember my first sales job vividly. Imagine 18-year-old me nervously knocking on doors as a door-to-door salesman over 9 years ago. At first, I was terrified of approaching customers, but with each knock, I learned, adapted, and grew more confident. The secret? It's unwavering persistence and the commitment to continuous learning. The next up on my list is investing and trading. A common misconception is that trading and investing is just glorified gambling. Maybe you've heard a family member who's lost money and claimed it's a scam. I've been in the markets now for over a decade, starting from the age of 16. And the truth is that 99% of people fail because they let their emotions take over, or they rely on the wrong education. The most successful traders and investors are those that manage the risks effectively, have statistically proven strategies, and stay disciplined. Sure, if you had invested in the S&P 500 index, which tracks the stock performance of the 500 largest US companies via the Vanguard ETF, you would have averaged about 9 to 10% every year for the last 30 years. So your money will roughly double every 10 years, whilst you're practically doing nothing, which is better than saving money and letting inflation erode its purchasing power. But if you want to beat the market and profit whether the market goes up or down, you have to pick individual stocks or be a trader like myself to achieve higher returns. What I love about trading and investing is the limitless earning potential. Imagine having the freedom to work from anywhere in the world without being bogged down by office politics. Some of the best traders actually make more than celebrities and movie stars because they manage billions for hedge funds. And the best part, it's scalable. Take me, for example. As a professional trader, I don't just manage my own funds, I also manage 6 to 7 figures for professional trading firms. The principles that work for a $100 account are the same as a $1,000, $10,000 and $1 million account. Mastering trading and investing has enabled me to leave my career as a doctor and to achieve freedom of time and freedom of location and teach clients all over the world. Trading also gives you the cash flow to invest in other skills and businesses. A great way to begin is by doing demo trading, which means to trade virtual money. This helps to build your confidence. If you're struggling to be profitable with your trading or your investing, or simply looking for more ways to build your wealth, then join us at MDX Algo. We're a community of professional traders and investors, some of whom have more than a decade of experience and operate at an institutional level. Sign up using my link in the description below to get an exclusive 10% off every month. This gives you access to our amazing Discord community, daily professional coaching sessions, and our powerful MDX Algo indicators designed to elevate your trading and investing. The third high-income skill on my list is digital marketing. Companies are always on the lookout for skilled marketers who can help them reach their target audience and drive sales. The digital marketing industry is projected to grow by 11% annually, creating immense opportunities. Top digital marketers can charge anything from $100 to $300 per hour, making it possible to earn over $10,000 per month, whether it's through social media, search engines, or email campaigns. With digital marketing, you can significantly increase a company's online presence and revenue. Plus, as a freelancer or consultant, you can charge premium rates for your expertise. There are numerous online courses and certifications that can help you get started in digital marketing. From Google Analytics to Facebook ads, investing time to learn these tools could pay off big time. The fourth on my list is copywriting. If you have a way with words and can craft compelling messages, then this can be for you. Did you know that the top copywriters can charge $2,000 or more for a single sales page? With consistent work, it's possible to earn well over $10,000 a month. Whether it's writing sales pages, email campaigns, or social media posts. And the beauty of it is, you can work from anywhere in the world. To get started in copywriting, study the work of successful copywriters and practice writing every day. There are also many freelance platforms where you can find copywriting gigs to build your portfolio. One of my friends actually started as a freelance copywriter and built a reputation for her persuasive writing. She now works with top brands, making well over $10,000 per month. Last but not least, we have software development. As technology continues to evolve, the demand for skilled developers keeps rising. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects a 22% growth in software development jobs by 2030. Whether you're into web development, mobile app development, or software engineering, this skill can open doors to high-paying jobs or freelance opportunities. Learning programming languages like Python, JavaScript, or Swift can set you up for a lucrative career. And the best part? There are numerous online courses and boot camps that can teach you coding from scratch. Websites like Code Academy, Coursera, or Udacity can turn you into a proficient developer. The demand for developers is also growing, and with the right skills, you can work for top tech companies or even start your own business. So there you have it, the top 5 high-income skills to make you money online fast. If you find yourself constantly jumping from one business model to the next without giving enough time, you will never achieve extraordinary success. I propose a 6-month challenge that can transform your future. Every day, at least dedicate 1 hour to learning a high-income skill. Any of these business models can work. Of course, this is not an exhaustive list. Other high-income skills include graphics design and data analytics. So what are you waiting for? Start learning and earning to make 2024 your best year yet. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to see more weekly videos.